Well, look what we have today. This is the poster child of muscle cars, a 1970 Chevelle SS 396, Cranberry Red with the black stripes. Beautiful car. It's a genuine SS, and it's also VIN number matched 396 motor, and I see a 4-speed sitting in the center console. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to watch our videos. Go to volocars.com. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. The body is outstanding. I've already been crawling around it, checking it out. It's just straight, clean. It has the SS raised hood. It fits beautifully up here on both sides, square, straight, not wavy, not dented. All lines up nice, all clean gaps, smooth to the very bottom, even underneath. Here I'm feeling underneath, it's not even dirty. All nice gaps, clean, straight. Quarter panel looks great. No vinyl top, just all beautiful, clean metal. Here's underneath the quarter panel, clean. Trunk lid, square, flush, no bubbles, no bumps, no damage, no waves, nothing that I'm seeing at all. And this side looks just as good. Absolutely straight, clean to the very, very bottom. Nice, clean lines. Opens very easily. Shuts nice and solid, easily. Repainted Cranberry Red is a beautiful, polished, glossy finish. The black SS stripes are painted on properly and they're smooth to the touch. I won't say it's flawless because I'm sure there's flaws, but they're going to be insignificant because I really didn't notice anything. So the paint is gorgeous on this car. Looks like they replaced all of the trim. The bumper, the emblem, the grille, the bezels, the hood pins, the lenses, everything up there looks like new. Looks like the stainless trim, the moldings, the gutters, wheel well trim, all the emblems were replaced. Door handles, all the weather strips, window seals. Has 15-inch SS wheels, reproduction, a little bit extra wide. BF Goodrich tires, a little fatter in the back, has a nice stance to it, sitting real nice and proud. A new windshield coming around the back, the bumper, the lenses, the pad, all this here has been replaced and it all looks beautiful. It's the original rear glass, typical few light scratches. Here's a little dent in the trim right here. Yeah, she's looking great. And now earlier I said this is a real super sport. I just learned something. It's not in the VIN number. You can't tell a real super sport in 1970. It's probably one of the most cloned cars there are. If they were built at the Leeds plant, which this was, there's a letter L on the cowl tag for the super sport package. And only the Leeds plant did that, and this has it. So according to that original tag that's on this car, it's a real super sport. So I think that's kind of a cool thing. Let's open it up. All right, I'm going to show you a nice clean trunk compartment. Under the trunk lid painted nicely. It's got the stickers. The jamb is clean. The weather strip is replaced. The whole inside is really nice, clean metal, all spatter painted very neatly. Reproduction matte. It has a SS wheel with the tire and a restored jack assembly. So clean and complete, as I call it. And when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. The jambs are tidy. They're clean. Weather strips replaced. Sill plates were replaced. It has a complete reproduction interior. The door panels were replaced. Window cranks. All that's looking nice. This does have the original dash with the factory gauges as the tachometer. Dash pad's in real nice shape. Now their gauge package never included an oil pressure gauge, so someone added an oil pressure gauge. Clock is not working. The original AM radio is in place, so that's not cut up. Heater control panel looks good. All looks good. We have an owner's manual in the glove box. And a little USB cord for an Apple phone. Kick panel's nice. Interior light works. Real nice carpet. SS mats. Down below the dash, I was just showing you that cord plugs into this modern stereo. Looks like it has Sirius compatibility. And then they've also added a temperature gauge. Here's a stock factory console with the shifter. There's a chrome ball because the 4-speed is right here. Remote control for the stereo. We got seat belts. Now the seats are have new cushions. They're nice and firm. All reupholstered real nicely. The headrest, the chrome trim, the plastic, all that looks to be in really nice shape. And in back we got floor mats, completely redone. Side panels, window cranks, upholstery, all redone. It has new seat belts. 6x9 speakers in the back. Headliner was replaced. They do have some wrinkles in it, but it was replaced. Got working dome light. We got shoulder belts. Visors look good. The mirror looks new. And it has a reproduction 3-spoke deluxe steering wheel. So yeah, nice interior. Best part is that 4-speed sticking out of the console. So this is the VIN number matching 396. The date code is proper, the casting numbers are proper, and the actual stamp has been looked at closely, and it is certainly believed to be an original. It does have a performance build with some aftermarket aluminum heads, and then it has a stealth aluminum intake with a dual feed Holley carb. It looks pretty fresh. Electric choke. MSD ignition with billet distributor, and a set of coated headers. So it's a strong running engine. I love the polished valve covers that are on top, and then everything's neat and tidy and painted real clean. They did put a disconnect on the battery for when you're parking it. And the components look new. The fuel pump, the alternator, all the brackets, the pulleys, that all looks fresh. The clutch fan looks brand new. The shroud looks new. Now, under the chrome cover, there is a nice aluminum radiator. And then it features power steering and power brakes. And again, overall clean and tidy. Even the wiper motor looks new. It has hood insulation. Michael gets the pleasure of showing you how fun this one is to drive. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Fun here and look good while we're doing it. Frame off restored real SS. I don't get any better than this, folks. 396 under the hood. That's got a performance build on it with a whole bunch of aftermarket parts. Definitely get on our website and check that out. Paired with a 4-speed manual. You're gonna have a lot of fun. This one's got a real tight turning radius. It did have a chance to loop it around the block. So it seems like it does have the upgraded steering gearbox, power steering, as well as power brakes, disc up front. Awesome sounding exhaust too. Check this out. All right. Well, let's see what she's got. Alright folks, we're there already. 60 miles an hour without even thinking twice. Yeah, that performance build is really showing its stuff there. Lots of extra power. I wasn't even all the way in it, not even close. This thing's just super tight all the way around. Let's see how this thing tracks. Man, real nice alignment on here, real nice car overall. Between service and detail, we spent about $3,000 on it. I know we put a new intake gasket on it. That was kind of the big ticket item. But yeah, no complaints here. Just good times to be had. Check out all the details at volocars.com and come take it for a test drive if you have time. We'd love to see you.
So underneath this car is beautiful. I was told it was on a rotisserie, body off frame. Underneath is gloss black. The floors, the braces, all that looks spotless, and it's all painted a beautiful polished gloss black. So is the frame, all beautiful. This has the F41 suspension, which includes the front and rear sway bars, box rear control arms. Someone's also added some traction bars, and all the steering and suspension looks like it was all gone through at the time of the restoration. The brake system was gone through, has disc in front, drum in back, e-brakes all hooked up. Fuel tank looks fresh. It's painted gloss black as well. Nice exhaust. The pipe looks a little fatter than original. Does have a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, and it has the SS cowbell tips coming out the back. You look up at the motor, it's a chrome oil pan, high torque starter, it all looks clean. Muncie 4-speed transmission. All the linkage, everything about the transmission looked clean and fresh. The drive shaft looks rebuilt. The U-joints look fresh. In back is a 12-bolt rear end with a chrome cover, and it has a 373 posi in it. So underneath this car is some nice features, and it's really detailed up beautifully. So we got a gorgeous 1970 red Chevelle sitting here with a 4-speed. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will answer your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered to your home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.